Yo, what's up fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to learn how to trade or invest but everything out there feels either way too advanced or just plain boring, I've got something that might actually help. Today we're talking about Finelo, a platform that turns investing education into something that actually makes sense. It's like the Duolingo of trading, built to teach you stocks, crypto, and strategy without risking real money. In this video, I'll break down what the app or the platform does, how it works on mobile, highlight what I like, what I didn't, and whether it's worth trying out, especially if you're just getting started in the world of finance. So let's jump in. Before we deep dive into Finelo platform, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and share with us your idea about Finelo in the comments below this video. So what exactly is Finelo? Which, same as I mentioned it before, it's a platform as gamifying learning app that helps you understand how to trade and invest by actually practicing, instead of just watching boring tutorials or reading long articles. Finelo teaches you by letting you simulate real trades and learn through experience. It covers traditional stocks, cryptocurrency, technical trading strategies, and even audio lessons for learning on the go. Everything is organized into learning pathways, so you're never lost. You start with the basics and level up as you go, kind of like leveling your skills in a video game. Honestly, it's one of the most beginner-friendly platforms I've tested so far. So, what makes Finelo a game changer, or why Finelo is different compared to other platforms? What sets Finelo a game changer is the market simulator with a virtual portfolio. You can place trades based on real market data, live charts, real-time prices, and the same tools pro used. And when you mess up, the platform steps in with a quick lessons. Miss your stop loss, you get a crash course in risk management. Both top out of FOMO, it walk you through emotional trading psychology. That hands-on, feedback-driven experience is so valuable because you're learning by doing without losing a dollar. It's safe, smart, and super silently fun. And if you're competing like me, you're gonna love the leaderboard. You rank it based on your simulated returns and progress. It adds a social layer. It's not just learning alone. You can see how you stack up, challenge yourself, and stay motivated by trying to improve your score every week. It's like the fantasy football for finance. And I think it's underrated motivator for people just getting into trading. Now let's talk about Finelo app, the mobile experience, because this is where I think Finelo really nails it. I've been using the app on my phone and everything just works. The UI is clean, the layout is simple, and switching between lessons or placing a mock trade takes seconds. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it's fully functional. Nothing feels watered down. You can run quick quiz, review a lesson, or even place a mock trade during your commute or lunch break. It's built for real life and it actually makes learning convenient. So, still not sure if it's legit. Just check what people are saying about the Finelo platform. Easy and good way to learn everything about investment. Better jump into the app and get all the infos you need. That's what Mary said. The lessons are great. They are ease of the learner into investing without overwhelming. That's what Negala said. And as you'll see in my screen, a lot of reviews about this impressive platform. So yeah, people love it, and you can see why it's made for total beginners, and you feel progress right away. So here is a quick list of what stood out to me. Teachers by doing, not just watching. Real-time trading simulator, fast sample lessons with no fluff. Audio mode is bonus for busy folks. App is smooth and full-featured, totally beginner-friendly. Finelo doesn't push any shady courses or investment schemes. It's just pure, well-structured financial education. Now for the downstairs, and this is important. Some people have called it not worth it, but that's usually because they think they are supposed to make real money from it. That's not what this app is for. It's not a play to earn, and it doesn't promise profits. It's a learning tool, not a trading platform. Also, If you're already deep into trading, you might find the content a bit too basic, but again, for beginners, this is gold. So is Finelo worth checking out? Absolutely, especially if you're new to investment or just tired of blowing up demo accounts without learning anything. It's designed to help you practice, fail safely. You can jump right now and see if it fits your learning styles. So that's our today's video that wrap up my honest reviews about Finelo, the investing app that actually teaches you how to trade without losing real money. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more chill finance and crypto content, and drop a comment below if you tried Finelo or have other apps you want me to review. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.